it, man. What's going on here? This hawk thing, whatever this is just fucking up the pigeon. It's fucking up the pigeon. What's going on? Yo, that looks mental. Oh no, what's it doing? Why is it doing? What bird is that? Hey, look, the crow's coming to back it. Is he gonna come and back it? You can back it. Go on, back it. Yeah. Hey, go and back it, bro. I know you and the pigeons don't see eye to eye, but you don't want to see one getting boxed. No, go and investigate. I don't know what this Kestrel. We've seen them. This is my turf. We don't like the pigeons. We ain't trying to eat them and shit. Nah, bro. Back off. My ends now. He's like, alright, cool, say no more. And they're like, that's insane. Don't you think, Mr. Squirrel? Since you gotta be on the lookout as well now. Because there's Kestrel's about, bro. Back to the action, I think this crow... Is the crow just waiting for scraps? Is that what you're saying, Mr. Crow? Like, he's like, back off, bro. It's eating a damn pigeon. But what's this crow really doing here? Because he ain't there to back it. He's there for scraps. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Hey, shame on you, Mr. Crow. What are you saying? All that. I know you and the pigeons don't see eye to eye, but you don't want to see one get boxed. That was a lie, really. You're just waiting for someone else to come do the work. What is this? What is this food chain? What's happened? You really gonna let the Kestrel just enforce itself? If you can't see Mr. Squirrel, you fuck him up like you fucked up that snake.
Wow. Oh, look at him. He's fucking him up. Look at the squirrel won.
The squirrel fucking won.
Oh, I was so worried about him.
Me too.
Go kick his ass. Like, go on, make yourself big. Yeah. Don't let him come around here. Go on, get him. Get him. Get him. Go on, fuck him up. Kick his ass. Oh, you want the smoke, don't you? You want the beef. You saying you're coming down here when the fake crows, when their bluff gets called, it's time for Mr. Squirrel to come to action, but you ain't bluffing, are you? No, he's waiting for that opening. You ain't gonna let him get away with this. Right. What are you saying? You're trying to live to fight another day?
I get that.
Oh shit, he's gone. He's chasing another damn pigeon. What the hell is going on? Yo. These Kestrels are out here going pigeon hunting. Oh, bro. Oh dear. Is your friend gone? Rest in peace, man. You don't need to see that. You don't need to see that. Come on, you don't need to see that, bro. Just come on. Come over it. Come on, get away from there. You know, make it all better. Grapes make everything better. Hey, you get your grape. No, you saying grapes didn't make it all better? He's traumatized. Oh dear. You come up and get some peanuts then. So back. You come back to finish the meal like. Look, he's just boxing the pigeon like. Wow, who was talking to you? Who was talking to you? Oh God. No, what is that? Look, it's eating an intestine or something like. Bro, how are you gonna fly home after eating all that? I can't even walk home after a large kebab. What are you two doing? Doing? Oi! He's talking to you, boy. You. What do you do, you silly squirrel? Hello. Hello. Oh, where you going? Back to the tree. I don't think there can be much left. You ain't even fucking anymore. But you can't even eat